welcome to another great tutorial. Hopefully today we'll be able to answer some of the questions and fix some of the problems you've been having with Character Animator from Adobe. It's a great program, but to get your character first working can be a real test of your mental strength and agility, so let's dive into things. Okay, so this is the character in rigging mode, and I've done him without the head at first because we don't need the head. We can just concentrate on the body and get that working. So for this character I've done left views and also a right view, but I've done the right view to the back. Now, although Character Animator doesn't natively support back views, you can still make it work, so I'll show you how to do that later on. Okay, select your independent limb layer, for example right arm, and then drag the rotation point to where it meets the body, and then you can add each of the tags to match up with the right shoulder, right elbow and right wrist, and then you can do the left hand side. And also remember to change your limbs to hinge setting, so that's the attach mode rather than the default, which is weld. The best way to do the body layer is to create a neck first, and then a torso, and then a pelvis, and put all of that inside a layer called torso. Then, using the tagger tool in the rigger mode, select where the waist should be. Then just carry on with the leg limbs and attach those to the pelvis and put all the tags in matching up, and then you'll be ready. Repeat the same rigging for each view that you have. Then you should click on the body layer and change the body handle to attach style free. Then the next thing to do is click on the body layer and add 3 behaviours, and those are body, limb IK and motion library. The next thing you'll want to do is create a swap set, name it views, and then drag each of the views into the swap set so you have all of them there. Open up your record mode and select motion library, and then the settings that you'll need to change for each time you change your views are these 2 boxes here: the preferred orientation and mirror, and maybe the auto arm bend and the reverse arm bends. If you come across an issue where the arms or the legs cross, then all you need to do is go up to Puppet and swap the tags. And that's all you need to do. All your views should be working, and you can assign the keystroke to the view and rotate it when you want. And obviously you'll need to change the settings depending on what your view looks like. There is no setting that you can keep all of them on, so a word of warning, you will have to change it each time you change to a different side of the view. Hope you liked this tutorial. Thanks very much for watching. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and give us a likes up. Thanks very much. Okay, bye bye.